What's up, guys? I'm Tyra Andre, and for many of you guys that do not know me, I am the owner of Mommy and We Travels LLC, as well as the owner of Travelpreneur Dreams Agent Academy. And I'm making this video because I said that I wanted to kind of reintroduce myself. And for you guys that do not know me, listen, welcome to my crazy travel agent, travel agency owner, travel mom life. Listen, okay, so on this channel, I post lots and lots of videos for travel agents and for people that are interested in the travel industry. Because let's be honest, a lot of this stuff that's in the travel industry, it's like a secret. But I'm not going to keep it secret with you guys. I'm going to keep it totally 100 with you guys. And I'm going to tell you guys exactly how it is. So I decided, I was over here thinking, I was like, maybe I should start putting more videos besides, the travel agent videos on there. And so I'm just wondering, do you guys want to get an inside peek at my crazy travel agent, travel agency owner, travel mom life? We do have another YouTube channel where we tend to post our travel videos at, and that's Mommy and We Travels on YouTube. But I'm just wondering, on this side of the business, on this side of YouTube, Travelpreneur Dreams Agent Academy YouTube channel, do you guys want to see more of my crazy travel agent, travel agency owner, travel mom, travel life? Lately, I have been posting a few shorts just to give you guys snippets of it. And so this year alone, we have traveled to so many different places. We traveled to like 56 different, for 56 days. We went to Portugal after Portugal. We went to Rome after Rome. We went to Greece after Greece. We went to India after India. We went to Bali after Bali. We went to Singapore after Singapore. We did Dubai after Dubai. Oh, I forgot, we did the Maldives earlier this year. After Dubai, we had group trips. It's group trips everywhere. We did Hawaii after Hawaii. We had our momcation cruise for the Bahamas. So you guys, we be traveling like we are legit with it. This is not a hobby for us. This is our business, and we do it well. Okay, so I'm just wondering, do you guys want to see more into our lives? Do you guys want to see more of our travel videos? To be honest, I have a year's worth of content in my phone. I have not released all of these videos yet. And it's because, I've been busy, but I do want to get more dedicated with releasing these videos and this content that I have on my iPhone. You guys, if you guys don't have an iPhone, whenever you're traveling as a travel agent, I totally recommend recording on your phone. And if you don't have a camera, it's okay. Put the stuff out there. Just put it out there. People, your clients, people want to see your content. So my question to you guys is, do you guys want to see more of our crazy travel agent? It's my travel agent life. Like me, I have a daughter. I'm a single mom. She's getting ready to be 8 years old. She homeschools. Do y'all want to see this? Do y'all want to see my life? I manage 60 plus travel agents. My life is pretty crazy, but I manage it well. So, like I said, my question to you guys drop it in the comment. Yes, no, we want to see more of your life. Just let me know, because I want to change some stuff up. I want to kind of like mix it up just a little bit. Let me know. Let me know. I want to know. And if you have been watching my videos and we still shacking up and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, listen, what you waiting for? Why we gotta shack up when it comes to subscribing? I don't want to be shacking up with you. Let's make it official. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay, so if you guys are already subscribers, thank you for watching our videos. We love it. People say, Tyra, why do you put the videos out there? These are not your travel agents. Listen, I don't care. Somebody needs to be training these travel agents. Listen, I love all my travel agents, and guess what? I love travel agents that ain't even my travel agents yet. Okay, with so many different host agencies out there and MLMs, what I know to be true is that a lot of these places are lacking the training. And that's where we come in at. That's why we have our YouTube channel. If it comes to my mind, I'll record a video and I'll put it on YouTube when it comes to travel agent things, because of course I want to train my agents on it. And of course, you guys are watching these videos, whoever's watching these videos, I want you to learn something from that. Okay. And so you guys don't get all of the videos. You guys get some of the videos, but you guys do not get all of the videos. So I do give you guys a lot. I give you guys a lot. So I can't wait to see your responses. this is going to be an amazing transition for me. And just let me know in the comments. Do you guys want to see more of our crazy travel life? I can't wait to see your response. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.